Stop wasting money on heavy moisturizers that only sit on the surface. If you have crepey skin, it isn't just dry, it's structurally collapsing. Today, I'm going to show you the science behind repairing crepey skin at the cellular level using liposomal Idebenone. We're going beyond surface treatments to understand what really works, backed by clinical research and advanced delivery science. Let's start by debunking the biggest myth in skincare, that crepey skin is just dehydrated skin. Traditional moisturizers create temporary plumping by adding water to the surface layers. But crepey skin happens deeper, in the dermis, where your skin's structural matrix is breaking down. Surface hydration is like putting a band-aid on a broken foundation. Real repair requires rebuilding that foundation, not just moisturizing the surface. So, what's actually causing this structural breakdown? Let's look at the science. The hydration myth keeps you buying products that can't address the real problem. Crepey skin isn't about water content, it's about structural integrity. When your dermal matrix weakens, no amount of surface moisture can restore that firm, smooth texture you're looking for. That's why we need to go deeper, to the cellular level where the real damage is happening. Crepey skin has 4 primary causes, and understanding them is key to effective treatment. First, oxidative stress. Free radicals attack your skin cells, damaging DNA and breaking down protective structures. Second, collagen breakdown. Enzymes called MMPs literally dissolve the collagen fibers that keep your skin firm. Third, mitochondrial fatigue. Your cellular powerhouses slow down, reducing energy for repair and regeneration. Fourth, postmenopausal collagen decline. Hormonal changes accelerate the loss of structural proteins. Together, these create the perfect storm for crepey skin formation. Now here's what's exciting. There's one ingredient that addresses all 4 of these root causes simultaneously. It's called Idebenone, and the clinical data is remarkable. A landmark 2005 study tracked exactly what happens when you target crepey skin at the cellular level, and the results changed how we understand skin repair. The 2005 clinical study on Idebenone produced results that redefined what's possible in skincare. Participants used a 1.0% Idebenone formula for 6 weeks. The measurements were precise and objective. 29% wrinkle reduction. Not temporary plumping, actual structural improvement. 26% texture improvement. The crepey, papery feel was measurably reduced. 37% hydration improvement. But this was deep, structural hydration, not surface moisture. And here's the most impressive result, 38% reduction in sun-damaged cells. This happened because Idebenone has the highest environmental protection factor ever recorded. It outperforms vitamin C, vitamin E, CoQ10, and kinetin in protecting against environmental damage. But here's what makes this data truly significant. These weren't cosmetic improvements that wash off at night. Immunofluorescence staining showed decreased inflammatory markers and increased collagen production at the cellular level. This was genuine repair, happening where crepey skin actually forms. The question became, how do you get this powerful ingredient deep enough into the skin to work effectively? That's where liposomal delivery changes everything. Even the most powerful ingredients are useless if they can't penetrate where they're needed. Traditional creams sit on the surface, blocked by your skin's natural barrier. Liposomes are microscopic lipid vesicles that mimic your skin's own cell membranes. Because they're made from the same materials as your skin cells, they can fuse and penetrate deeply. Once inside, they release Idebenone directly to the cells that need repair. The difference in penetration and effectiveness is dramatic. 2023 research shows liposomal Idebenone reaches the basal layer where new cells form. It stays active for at least 4 days, providing sustained cellular protection and repair. This represents a fundamental shift in skincare delivery. We're not just applying ingredients to the surface, we're delivering them precisely where cellular repair happens, with sustained release that keeps working long after application. There's a crucial difference between structural repair and cosmetic plumping. Cosmetic plumping adds temporary volume through hydration or irritation. Structural repair rebuilds your skin's foundation by stimulating new collagen production. It restores dermal density, creating genuine thickness and resilience. New elastin networks restore your skin's ability to stretch and bounce back. The results are permanent because you're rebuilding the actual structure, not just masking the problem. This process takes time, but each day builds on the last, creating cumulative improvement. This is why liposomal Idebenone represents such a breakthrough. Instead of temporary fixes that need constant reapplication, you're investing in genuine repair that compounds over time. Your skin becomes stronger, more resilient, and naturally resistant to future damage. If you're ready to move beyond hydration and support your skin structurally, explore Hygieia Crepe Repair Cream, formulated with liposomal Idebenone. It's backed by the same clinical research we've discussed today. Because true repair doesn't sit on top of your skin, it rebuilds it from within. Take the next step in your skincare journey. Choose science-backed repair over temporary fixes. Your skin's structural integrity is worth the investment.